Are you on the hunt for a reliable dropshipping platform in Malaysia? Look no further, as Kumoten is the optimal solution. In this comprehensive review, we will dive into the world of Kumoten's dropshipping services, exploring its features, advantages, and how it can empower your e-commerce journey in Malaysia. So buckle up and get ready. Let's start with an introduction. Kumoten is a leading dropshipping platform in Malaysia, catering to the needs of online entrepreneurs, small businesses, and e-commerce enthusiasts. With a user-friendly interface and a plethora of products to choose from, Kumoten has gained popularity as the best solution for dropshipping needs in the Malaysian market. One of the key features of Kumoten is its extensive product catalog. Online entrepreneurs can explore a wide range of products, from electronics to fashion, and select items that align with their business. This vast selection makes finding the right products for your target audience a breeze. Navigating the Kumoten platform is a piece of cake. Its intuitive interface allows users to manage their dropshipping business efficiently. From product selection to order processing, Kumoten simplifies the entire process, making it suitable for both beginners and experts. One of the major benefits of Kumoten is its competitive pricing structure. With access to competitively priced wholesale items, you can set your retail prices at attractive rates while ensuring profitability. Timely delivery is crucial in the world of e-commerce, and Kumoten understands this. They have established efficient delivery channels to ensure your customers receive their orders promptly. This reliability helps build customer trust and loyalty. Kumoten takes pride in its excellent customer support. Whether you have questions about product sourcing, order processing, or other aspects of dropshipping, their dedicated support team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of any e-commerce venture. Kumoten offers valuable marketing resources and tips to help you reach a wider audience and boost sales. Kumoten can seamlessly integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, simplifying your dropshipping operations. This integration allows you to manage your online store with ease. So why wait any longer? Join the Kumoten family today and take your e-commerce business to new heights. Your journey towards successful online entrepreneurship starts with Kumoten.